reached our cruising altitude of 70,000 feet. The captain has seen fit to turn off the fastened seatbelt sign. This means you are now free to move about the cabin. In the event, however, that you do choose to remain in your seat, we ask that you keep your seatbelt fastened. Thank you. Sir, can I offer you a drink?
Oh, yes, I'll have a diet Shasta Cola, please.
And you, sir, what would you like?
Do you have diet Shasta Cola?
Sir, can I offer you a drink?
Yeah, I'll have Shasta. Oh, make that diet Shasta.
Excellent choice, sir. Finest.
I also want a diet Shasta Cola,
Oh,
please.
perfect. Sir, can I offer you a drink?
Oh yeah, do you have a whiskey on the rocks?
Oh, no. We don't carry alcohol on this flight. Can I get you something else?
Yeah, understandable. Red Bull, please?
Oh, let me check. Sorry, we're all out. Can I offer you another drink?
Oh, you guys have any regular Shasta Cola?
We have diet. Sir,